Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all Honda Airblade owners: common electrical failures and how to troubleshoot them. Now, electrical issues can be frustrating, but with a bit of knowledge and the right approach, you can often diagnose and fix them yourself, saving both time and money. So, let's get started. One of the most frequent electrical problems is a dead battery. This can be caused by several factors, including a faulty charging system, leaving the lights on, or simply an old battery that needs replacing. To diagnose this, start by checking the battery voltage with a multimeter. It should read around 12.6 volts when fully charged. If it's significantly lower, it might be time for a new battery or further investigation of the charging system. Another common issue is a blown fuse. Fuses are designed to protect your scooter's electrical components from damage. If a fuse blows, it means there's an overload somewhere in the circuit. Regularly check your fuse box for blown fuses, and always replace them with the correct amperage. Never use a fuse with a higher rating, as this can cause serious damage. Next up, we have problems with the lighting system. This can range from dim headlights to non-functional turn signals. Check the bulbs first, they may simply need replacing. Also, inspect the wiring and connectors for any corrosion or damage. Clean any corroded connections with electrical contact cleaner. Loose or damaged wiring is a common culprit for lighting problems. The starter motor can also give you problems. If your scooter doesn't start, and you hear a clicking sound, it could be a faulty starter motor or solenoid. Try tapping the starter motor with a wrench while attempting to start the scooter. If it starts, the motor may be sticking and might need replacing. If not, check the solenoid and related wiring. Another area to check is the charging system. This consists of the stator, rectifier regulator, and the battery. If your battery keeps draining, even after being replaced, the charging system isn't working correctly. Test the output voltage of the stator and the rectifier regulator to ensure they're functioning properly. Replace any faulty components as needed. Finally, electrical shorts can cause all sorts of problems. These are usually caused by damaged wiring, where the wires touch each other or the scooter's frame. Visually inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or melted insulation. Repair or replace any damaged wiring to prevent shorts. So, there you have it, some of the most common electrical failures on the Honda Airblade and how to repair them. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the battery before working on any electrical components. And if you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's always best to consult a qualified mechanic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.